Alright, this is definitely going to take me longer than I expected. So the body of the loader is a little narrow, so I can't just roll it in. So now that I think back to the way I took it off, I have to tip it up and then tip it back down. So let's get going. All right, got it kind of in place. Now I just got to bolt the rear end down and try to figure out how to get the front, just to suspend the front up in the air so I can just roll it. I'll probably just, I don't know, do something bolted or jerry rig it to the front axle like the old one. So let me bolt it up and I'll come back. All right, this is definitely going to take me longer than I expected. Not that I shouldn't have said I expected it, but it's not going to be as quick. So I got to figure out how to get this mounted, and I also got to figure out, so my flimsy tack weld busted on the opposite side when I was trying to put this on, so definitely not surprised there, but because this thing's pretty heavy. But I also got to figure out how it bolts. I think it's basically just one or two bolts like on there, but it's, I got to tell you, it's doing it by hand by myself is not exactly easy. So I'm going to stop the video here for now and hopefully jump back on it pretty soon. Hey YouTube, so it's Saturday, it's the 3rd, so it's the day after the big nor'easter, which we had. We didn't get any snow, but we just got a crap load of rain and stuff. So, but I've been doing a little research on this Johnson loader, and I didn't realize the previous owner, modified this unit. Just really never noticed it. I don't know why he did it, but this L bracket right here, this is not standard. So this arm right here is supposed to mount right into here, and then it comes down and goes into the front nose. I think these are originally designed for either Cub Cadets or Bolins, from what I can pull up. So I've kind of, you know, looking at the different things, I can kind of figure out what I'm gonna do. It's basically I got to grind these off, these L brackets off. I'm gonna take the shelves there, or whatever L's there, grind them off, and then mount them this way on this plate right here, and then this front brace will move back, come in straight down, and then bolt right to here. So I think we're good on overall length. I don't know why he extended it. It's kind of weird. You know, it's not kind of really wasn't, it was beyond the design. I don't know why it was extended, but hey, that's what it is. So definitely have some work cut out for me, and I still, like I said, I got to figure out how to get the pump hooked up, because that's you know, I don't know if I have I don't know if I have the belt. I might use one of those Add-A-Link belts just to you know, because it's going to be an odd, I'm sure, an unknown length to me. So I might use that just to try it out. But we're getting there, we're getting progress. So I'll get it done, but alright. But thanks for watching, and hope to get more work on this done soon. Thanks.